Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Baie Comeau local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking for a dependable and cheap Baie Comeau moving company? 3 Movers offers affordable rates and trustworthy service. Our team will make sure you get a fast and efficient move, no matter where you're relocating to. We have helped many people handle local or long-distance moves without all the hassle. We offer all the right time-saving options for your long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, and upfront pricing. You can relocate without all the struggle when you choose to work with us. Our team will make sure your move happens fast and easy. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 1,000 miles away, our professionals are ready to help you. A team of local movers can make your move so much easier. When you hire a Canada moving company, you gain access to professionals that will keep your things protected and keep you from doing the heavy lifting. If you have to do the heavy lifting, you could become injured. 3 Movers knows how to take care of your local move without putting you at risk. With us, you get an efficient move to save you a ton of time and energy, even if you're just going a few miles away. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Baie Comeau moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.